Hi Fred, how can I help you today?
Hi Paul. I read in the Predictive Factory installation and configuration documentation that we can now set up an SAP HANA Server for Predictive Factory. As we've already installed the SAP HANA platform, can you tell me what advantages we get by adding an SAP HANA Server to Predictive Factory?
Well, an SAP HANA Server configured for Predictive Factory is both a data server and a processing server. So, if you want to import predictive pipelines prepared with expert analytics and then industrialize them in Predictive Factory, then you will have to configure an SAP HANA Server to do this. Once the server is configured, project members can schedule, apply and retrain tasks on those imported pipelines. This server will also allow Predictive Factory users to access datasets registered in your SAP HANA database, and they can be used directly in Predictive Factory to forecast models.
Hey, that's interesting. What do I need to do to configure an SAP HANA Server?
To set up an SAP HANA Server on Predictive Factory, you have two main steps to follow. Firstly, you define the server connection information by simply entering the connection details of the machine hosting the server. Then you define a specific model repository that will be used by Predictive Factory to store imported predictive pipelines and task outputs. Don't forget to give a unique and meaningful name to your repository so that it can be easily reused by the project members. But let's have a look directly in Predictive Factory. In the Modeling Servers tab of Predictive Factory, click Add Modeling Server and choose SAP HANA Server. Identify the server with a meaningful and unique name. Now don't forget that the name will be reused by project creators to set up their projects. You can provide more information in the description field. Enter the connection information. This comes from your SAP HANA installation. Check the option Connect using SSL if you want to secure your connection between Predictive Factory and your SAP HANA server. Enter the valid credentials to connect to the SAP HANA server. Test the connection, give a unique and meaningful name, and eventually a description to your database. Don't forget that it will be seen and reused by project members when they select the data source. Define your model repository. Select the relevant schema from the database catalog and give a name to your model repository. Save, and that's it.
Thanks Paul, that was easy. Now how can I get more information about it?
You can take a look at our help portal for in-depth information or click on the links on the screen.